Another thing that I do to keep dust and dirt down in the paint booth is use 3M dust control spray. And I have it just in this little 1-gallon sprayer. As you can tell from the video, I go real heavy when I'm closer to my project, and then I give everything else a more lighter coating. You can't see the lighter coating on camera, but it is a real thin coating just to keep the dust down. I go ahead and clean my project with waterborne cleaner before I start painting. I'm using my Jet 100 HVLP. I go ahead and spray my black sealer, keeping it real tight and close to prevent overspray from going down the panel. Using my Jet 5500 RP to spray the base. I went ahead and skipped using wet bed. You do not need wet bed for black. Lastly, I like using these green Suntara tack racks just to wipe off any leftover sealer or base. I like using the beige crystal tack racks initially before I start painting. I give this 2 coats of clear. We're using the 8600 High Solid Speeds Hector Optimum Clear. And I am using my Jet 5500 RP. This is the 5th car in a row that I've painted black. And I'm low-key tired of it. Guess what color I'm painting tomorrow? Black.